Right, we're going to wash your hands because you've been touching food, haven't you? So we're going to wash your hands.
Wow.
Yeah, because it's raw food and we don't want to get any tummy upsets, do we? No. What's these? What did I chop up?
Onion.
Onions, right. What are these?
Pepper.
Peppers. What colour are the peppers?
Red.
Red. What am I going to do with them? Chop, 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 chop. I'm going to use a knife. And what's this? What's this white? Chopping board.
Chopping
It's
board.
a chopping board, yes. So we've got a knife, we've got some peppers, we've got a chopping board, we've got some onions, we've got a plate, we've got some chicken, and we've got a square. I wouldn't say it's a bowl. I'd say it's a square container.
Container.
And what are you using?
Ice cream.
You're using a spoon, thank you. We need you to stir it, please. Lift it and turn it, that's right. From the bottom, turn it over. Let me show you. I'll show you and then you can do it.
Okay.
Lift it and turn. Lift and turn, okay? So I'm lifting it up and putting it down. Do like 1 or 2 pieces at a time. What are you doing?
Mashing it.
You're mashing it.
Yeah.
He enjoyed that. I hope you did too. Stick around for fun next time.